Alright everyone, so today I'm gonna find out who is Zakaria Abdullah. Some of you requested him to, you know, give him a little whirl. It looks like this is like all like maybe 90s, not even 90s, 80s music probably, I don't know, like 19 something something. But you know, sometimes old music is good music, so I don't know, I just don't know. So let's see. Okay, so this is him right here. Okay, well he is, you know, okay. And so Zakaria Abdullah is a Kurdish pop music star. He's best known for his pop music, which combines Kurdish melodies with very popular music styles. Okay, so he does, you know, so he was born in Iraq. I understand, does Kurdish people speak Arabic? I don't understand. Like, I know you guys speak Kurdish, but I feel like you guys also know Arabic. Like, I don't know, like maybe I need to make a video. Let me know if you guys want me to make a video, you know, knowing more about Kurdistan. Alright, so I don't even know where to start, so let's click here. What's this? Very dramatic. Okay, come on, James Bond. It's very dramatic. Very dramatic music. Zacharias. Okay, hold on, come on. It totally changed. I thought it was gonna be like an epic song. Now it changed to something else. Maybe that's what they're saying. He mixes different styles. It sounds good. Very orchestra. But does he sing? I don't know if that song is my type of song, but you know, I give him a whirl. What's this? It's Kurdistan. Is this a movie? What is this? This sounds like a national anthem or something. Oh, that's cute. We'll never forget you, Kurdistan. You are in our hearts. That's actually pretty. This is very traditional. It's like an anthem to the country. It's like he sings, like he was probably very famous like back in the day. But like, you know, right now I'm just like, okay. Okay. So listen, like, I'm not, like, it's not that I don't like the music, okay? You know, I'm just, like, maybe for my generation, it's not appealing. Does that mean I don't like it? Like, no, it was good for some people, but for me, I'm just, like, it's not doing much. But, you know, it's good to kind of, like, invest a moment and trying to see, you know, get information. Now I know who Zacharias is. I didn't know who he was. Okay, what else do we watch about Zacharias? There's not a lot of videos, it's just like music. What's this? Okay. Okay, I like this one. Okay. Okay. Okay, a little bit of movement. Oh my gosh, yes, okay. Oh, okay. Okay, Kurdistan, I see you. Okay. Hey, okay, I like this one. Hey.